Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see names of the fruits in Hindi. फलों के नाम. This is pomegranate. In Hindi, अनार. Pomegranate. In Hindi, अनार. This is mango. In Hindi, आम. Mango. In Hindi, आम. This is watermelon. In Hindi, तरबूज. In Hindi, तरबूज. Next, this is grapes. In Hindi, अंगूर. Grapes. In Hindi, अंगूर. This is apple. In Hindi, सेब. Apple. In Hindi, सेब. This is banana. In Hindi, केला. In Hindi, केला. Next, this is orange. In Hindi, संतरा. In Hindi, संतरा. This is papaya. In Hindi, पपीता. Papaya. In Hindi, पपीता. This is lemon. In Hindi, नींबू. Lemon. In Hindi, नींबू. Now we will see names of the vegetables. सब्जियों के नाम. This is a potato. In Hindi, आलू. Potato. In Hindi, आलू. This is a cauliflower. In Hindi, फूल गोभी. Cauliflower. In Hindi, फूल गोभी. This is a tomato. In Hindi, टमाटर. Tomato. In Hindi, टमाटर. Next, this is a cabbage. In Hindi, बंद गोभी. Cabbage. In Hindi, बंद गोभी. This is a turnip. In Hindi, शलगम. Turnip. In Hindi, शलगम. This is a pea. In Hindi, मटर. Pea. In Hindi, मटर. Next, this is a carrot. In Hindi, गाजर. Carrot. In Hindi, गाजर. This is onion. In Hindi, प्याज. Onion. In Hindi, प्याज. This is lady's finger. In Hindi, भिंडी. Lady's finger. In Hindi, भिंडी.